I'm currently using Leonardo AI and I get 150 free credits every day. Now, if you're like me and you create a lot of images, you're eventually going to run out of credits. You can see here, I'm at 38 credits. I'm on a free plan, and every day I get 150 free credits. So the big question is, when do my credits reset? So here at the top, it says I have 38 credits. When I'm hovering over the 38, you can see it says my plan is free. And what you can do is hover over this fast tokens right here, and it'll tell you exactly when it'll reset. You can see it said it was 1 hour, and it's counting down in real time. It says 59 minutes. You can also go back to the main page with Leonardo AI. So I'm going to click this Leonardo AI button right here at the top. And if you're on the main page right here, you'll see over on the left-hand side, you'll see it says 38 credits, and you can also hover right here. So this can be really helpful if you're looking for exactly when your credits are going to reset. Hope you found this quick walkthrough helpful. Leonardo AI is completely free. I'll put a link to it in the video description below. You can create so many cool free images with this tool. I highly recommend signing up and checking them out. Here's another video where you can have some fun using some free stuff.